So the income funnel works this way. So your business generates cash flow, and that cash flow is essentially what we designate as an owner of our business as income. So we take our W-2 income on a monthly basis, and so part of that cash flow we designate as income, so it's W-2 income. And then at the end of the year, or maybe throughout the year, we take distributions of profit, or at the end of the year, one lump sum of profit. That's designated as K-1 distributions, and so that is also income. Now what happens is that as that cash flow creates income that's been designated, it flows down that funnel, that income funnel, and summarizes on the personal tax return. So what we need to do is look at an example of how are we overpaying in taxes and what that looks like. So we developed what we call the tax savings formula. So if you add your income, your W-2 and your K-1, let's say it's $350,000 as our example. You have personal expenses. So really what we ask people is if you were to guesstimate your monthly expenses, mortgage, utilities, food, kids' activities, little weekend getaways with the significant other, if you were to estimate what those are, what would that be on a monthly basis? Okay, and so let's say in this scenario it's $20,000, which ends up being $240,000. Okay, so when you subtract $240,000 of expenses from income of $350,000, that means that there's about a profit of $110,000, meaning that you're taking $110,000 of additional income that's flowing down the funnel that you're paying personal taxes on that you don't need to. Okay, so what we do is we create a way for those profits to funnel back up to the top cash flow from the business, and it stays at the cash flow level at the business. And from there, what we're able to do is we're able to redirect that cash flow into other assets, such as real estate, bank or investment accounts, other businesses, tax-free cash flows like cash value life or whatever the case may be. The bottom line is that if you have extra money that's being taxed right now as income, do you need to do that? Okay? And if not, if we can show you a way how to keep that cash flow at the corporate level and create other assets that create other cash flow, would you want that to be done?